If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Luna Classic video update. Oh my gosh, okay. Luna Classic. We are on a monthly looking for a technical target to go all the way down to potentially 4,477. Now this is crazy if you're watching for the first time or you're potentially confused what is going on. How did we get the target? So basically the target comes on a monthly time frame, and the prices have coiled down like this, move sideways, break to the downside, and we're looking potentially for that one there. But that's what I see on the monthly. Of course, I cannot be very sure if this technical target is going to be bang on straight there, but it should be there. Okay, it should be there. Now there's only one reason that, if you ask me, if you ask, hey Adam, do you really think the prices will come down there? Is it like realistic? Now to answer this, there are some certain conditions, I guess, that we're going to go with. And one of the conditions that I can lay down at the moment is if a bull trap happened for Bitcoin, right? Does it make sense? I mean, after all, a bull trap means that people thought it's going to go for the bull run and then it got trapped and the market crashes to the downside. That means, so for some reason, I even see Bitcoin making it down to $13,000 and, coming up with a bull trap can happen. And if that happens, we're talking about $13,000 and Bitcoin is at $25,000. So 50% of Bitcoin dropping down, or maybe 45% of Bitcoin, can cause Luna Classic to make that 68% drop down. Because if Bitcoin is moving 45%, we might actually see 60% in altcoins, even 70%, even 80% in altcoins. So yeah, if you ask me, can it happen? It can happen. It can happen. But I told you, the condition is if we do go for that bull trap. Now, for me, invalidation personally that I want to see is on a higher time frame. And this is going to take a lot of time because we're reading the monthly time frame, of course. And when you read the monthly time frame, it takes a couple of months, right? So this can actually, you can get this target maybe by June, maybe July, maybe August. It's going to take a long time. But given you are on a journey to go down there, if and only if you don't break above 21,056, do not flip bullish. This is where it must come and break. 21,000 is a price that must be broken for me to tell you that, hey, we are not coming down to this level. Now, of course, you're not going to crash down. Who knows? You can even crash down. Who knows? But it doesn't happen like that. You can still have opportunities on the daily time frame. You can have some pumps in between. Doesn't mean you're not going to pump in between. You are going to potentially, you're going to be making some pump and dumps, because I know the market maker is going to be interested to liquidate people who are trying to short the market and liquidate people who are trying to long the market again. So at this point of time, this accumulation does seem like it's in a trouble. It does seem like in trouble. And if you do come down below 12,148, this is a dead end, and you don't want to come below 12,148. If you do come below here, that's going to be a problem. On the weekly, I told you as well that it's not on this chart. I'm going to open up on KuCoin and show you that on the weekly, if you talk about the weekly, you do have this three white soldiers continuation pattern. And the biggest dead end of them all is to actually come down to 7492. Coming to 7492 is going to spoil the party for so many people who are trying to trade. But then again, I'm here for the long run. Doesn't matter this happens, whatever. I'm looking at maybe 2 years for this coin, maximum 2 years. So in 2 years is a lot of time, okay? You have a lot of time to do so many different weird stuff. In 2 years, a lot can happen. So if this is going to happen in maybe midterm, maybe 4 or 5 months, what happens after that? Maybe this, hopefully. So that's pretty much it for this Luna Classic update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.